Hi guys! So, vlog day. I haven't vlogged in a very long time, but we're on our way to IKEA.
You pull up next to it, just put I got it!
Yay!
Oh, Swedish meatballs.
Yeah.
We're gonna go eat first because we're hungry.
So I got IKEA meatballs with the mashed potatoes and cranberry sauce or something. They have tiramisu, which I didn't know that they sold, and lingonberry. Woo!
I don't see it.
That's a really cool storage unit.
It's just there's no more face. Oh, I like the mirror.
I mean, it's easy enough.
Happy Dearth Day, Jessica. What?
But it's not hard. I think once it puts
Oh, look at the little chairs. It's so small. I was gonna buy this chair, but like it scratches really badly, and there's like no cushion for my tuchus. There's a microwave.
The lights on.
Oh,
Wait, does that
I don't think it's a real. I don't think it's gonna like get hot.
Because I was like turning it and then it started flashing. Look, it started flashing.
I wish I vlogged like your reaction.
It's gonna burn up.
Is it? Let's see.
See? Clean. That's what she did to me. Turn it off. Turn it off. How do you turn it off? Zero.
I'm evil. I want these.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, those are cute. Yo, don't put me
You're banned. Get out of here.
What the heck is you gonna put on your wall and put your brushes in it?
Whoa, it's like a spaceship. No, that's not
Oh,
safe.
it's for cups? See, this would need to come down.
This is more of my kitchen. I like the, what's it called? I like this. I love this.
I just feel like there's no
Ooh.
anything up there because
And then a wine rack. Oh yeah, turn up.
wine rack. Sorry, Jesus. I like that shape.
Sorry. Is that your foot?
You have to rest. Oh look.
Yeah. I already have one though.
Yes.
I have 3. You guys want to have a tea party?
Yeah.
Hayden!
Yes. I say yes.
She said no.
Why don't we leave a little wine there? Let's go.
Alright,
Tea.
we'll just...
Wine. Put some wine in the tea.
Maria doing her outfit of the day. I have this bedding, or I have the bed frame. I like the color of the walls.
It was only because it was, you did another
And then I like the hooks. How it's like that. That's cute.
What's the only time I'm buying? I'm biased.
Yes, we're in a bathroom.
Excuse me.
Oh, awkward. Because she's like sitting. A good place. So I haven't been vlogging because I'm like carrying a huge frame, but we're gonna get a cart so that I don't have to carry anything. Awesome. Yay, my favorite place. Let me look at the stairs before I fall down. That'd be bad. No, y'all, let's go get this.
Yeah.
The next bedding I want. I think it'll be perfect for spring. It's on sale. I don't really want to spend 30 right now. I hate IKEA's like carts because they're like shifts. They're like shifting. It's difficult. Backstreet Boys is playing. I'm struggling still with the cart. Guys, look what I found. Fish pillows. What the heck? Who would buy that? It's $15 too. What? Who you are come, don't care what. Hey! The worst!
No.
The worst.
I was dancing with
Or no. I've always wanted this print. When I move out, I'm gonna buy this.
Okay. Here you go. Riding on the Kelsey's vlogging. Oh my god, I'm about to crash. Okay, bye.
I'm an official vlogger.
Yay!
We're debating if we want 6 cinnamon buns for $4 or, well, I'm getting the ice cream because I was getting.
I'm getting ice cream too. I'm getting ice cream too, you guys.
Yeah.
And a cinnamon.
Best thing about IKEA trips. Kelsey bought a tabletop, so I'm stuck in the corner.
Tabletop?
Or a desk.
Oh, a desk. A tabletop and legs.
Basically.
So I'm in the corner.
Oh, and I bumped my head on the lamp.
Oh, yeah, she did. I should have vlogged that.
your light.
So we've decided to go to Forever 21. So there's IKEA where we were. Yay! And Home Goods is over there. We're going to Home Goods to go find Kelsey's desk stuff. Woo! We went to Target already. And it was the weirdest Target. There was nothing there. So yeah, okay. So we're back at IKEA and Kelsey found her desk stuff, so it was across the street. So I was like, IKEA? IKEA? Because I want this bottle that I saw from I See Buttons vlog.
Yeah.
And I also need
I'm like, oh, it hurts.
I also need a what's it called? Corkboard, and I might get a mirror for my desk.
Wow.
McDonald's.
In 1955, the price of a new home was $10,000.
And I've never seen that at a McDonald's before. Hey guys, so I just got home from IKEA and I'm kind of tired, but what I've just done is I've laid down or laid out all of the stuff that I bought, so that's what I bought. But I think I'm going to do a proper IKEA haul because this is the first time I've kind of bought things from IKEA that aren't actually like furniture. They're like smaller stuff that I can like lift up and show you guys. So I think I'm going to do that and it'll be on my main channel. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I still have to film and edit a couple of videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I haven't done one literally since last year, but if you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments below, or by giving me a thumbs up, and I will continue to try to do more vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon, hopefully with a new vlog. Bye!